Hello friends, welcome to this session on importance of comments and docstring. So we discussed in our previous session that during definition of function in the function body we can specify docstring. So let us create a docstring for our addition function. So here this is our addition function, which is taking two parameters, performing its addition, storing its result and returning its value. So let us write the docstring for this function. So here the purpose of this function is to find addition of two numbers. It is taking two parameters, which is first number and second number, and then this is returning the sum as a result. So we can write this in docstring. So this is the docstring for this addition function. So docstring is a multi-line comment which start with 3 double quotes. Here we are explaining the purpose of this function, which is add to number. Then we are writing about parameters. Since this function is only limited to integer type variables, so we are specifying that first number is integer and second underscore number is also int, which is used to take second number. Then here we are saying that it returns an int value, which is sum of two numbers, and this is its code. So all these lines are multi-line comments. They will not execute, they only provide the information and make this code more readable and understandable. So what we are saying that addition, this is the purpose, this is the detail of our parameters, and this is the detail, the value it is returning, and this is the code. In the same way, we can also write the docstring for our main function. Since in the main function we are not taking any parameter and this is not returning any value, its only purpose is to take the input from the user and call this addition function. So let us write this docstring. So main function is used to demonstrate the addition of function. This is its purpose, and it take two numbers as input and add them and print the final sum. So this is multi-line comment. We are taking these two numbers from the user. This is calling of our function, and then we are just printing its result. So I hope with this discussion you got a clear idea what type of information we usually write in docstring. Docstring also have one more purpose. So in Python we have a help function where you can get the help of any inbuilt and user defined function. So let's suppose you want to get the help about this addition function. So you can call help function by passing addition as parameter. So you can see this is the output which we get. So it is providing you this output, that this is the function which is taking two numbers, these are the parameter, and this is the result. Can you tell me from where this help function is getting the information? This is the same information which is displayed by the help function which we mentioned in the docstring. So docstring actually serve two important purposes. One, it used to make code more understandable, and another important use is if someone try to call addition function from the console, then he can simply call help and pass this function name as a parameter, and it will provide all the details which we mentioned in the docstring. And this is very useful for an end user who just want to call addition function. And from this we came to know that this addition function will require two parameters, and this is the importance of these parameters, and this function will return a integer value which is sum of two numbers. So let's suppose if you don't have the access of code, still you can know how to call this addition function. So for example, you can call like this: sum is equal to addition 3, 2, because you know how to use this function. So it requires two parameters, these are integer value, this is returning integer value. So you can call your function in this way here, and it can successfully provide you the answer. So yes, I hope you got this point clearly, that yes, this docstring can perform two important functions. One, it is used to make code more understandable, and also if you want to call this function from console, this provide important information about the function and you can use it directly without looking at the code. It is also very important to note that along with docstring we can also write comments in our code to make it more understandable. For example, this is a single line comment which I have just added to explain the importance of this statement. So single line comment are also added in the code to make our code more understandable. Adding docstring and comments in the code is also called as programming in style. You should always follow programming in style, where you should be adding appropriate docstrings and comments in the code to make it more understandable. So this is all about this session, and in next video session we will discuss about namespaces in the function. Thanks for watching this video.